Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on threads you click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of threads and we go here to this window. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.